Hello everybody, Alan here. And what better thing to do on a Black Friday than to go hunting? So that's what we're going to do. I'm sitting here waiting for my cousin Tony. He's supposed to be here at about 1:30, and we're going over to the farm. And as you saw in the video, or you'll see in the video, I set up a ground blind yesterday and got it all brushed in, got all the leaves raked out of there so you can be good and quiet. Put in a bog pod with a rifle mount on it, and a nice seat, so he should be ready to go. So we hope to get one this afternoon. So stay with us, and we'll see you in a bit, and join us on the hunt. Are you ready, man? You ready to go? You ready to go kill the big one or the little one?
Just want deer meat.
It all tastes the same, doesn't it? Actually, the small ones actually taste better, I believe.
Yep. Not loaded.
All right, well, we're over at the farm, and like I said, I got my cousin Tony with me today. Say hello, Tony.
Hey, how you doing?
And we've been hunting together for some years now, and we usually make several hunts during the season, so I'm really glad he's along today. We've got two small bucks over here that have got weird horns, one on the left side, one on the right side. And today, it's Friday, it's Black Friday, and all you can shoot today is bucks. And so our goal for today, since we can't shoot does, because we like to meet, but since we can't shoot does, is we're hoping that they're going to step back out, and we're going to be able to maybe have a double score, one for Tony and one for me. But who knows, whatever we do, we'll enjoy it. We'll enjoy today, and just being out together and being able to hunt. So anyway, you come along, and we hope to have some footage showing our harvest. So thanks for sticking with us, and let's get to hunting. Okay, so where are you going to go? You'll see the path leading in there.
Okay.
And I've got a blaze orange on the top.
Okay.
It's just past the stand on the right, back up and on the left.
Okay.
All right, man. Well, good luck.
Good luck. Mm-hmm.
We'll stay in touch, and hope to hear that gun go off.
That sounds great.
All right, see ya. All right, welcome back everybody. Alan here. And last week when Tony and I hunted, we didn't see anything. First time in a long time, but it was a great day. I thought it was perfect conditions. Anyway, we're back out here a week later. Tony is coming in from the other side, from the east side, and he's going to hunt the blind that he hunted last week, and I'm back in the regular tower blind. So today we're going to just see if we can finish things up and get one of those little bucks with the small horns, or the horns that are kind of messed up, or whatever. So we're still in buck only time. So anyway, but we've got a couple that we want to take out, and of course you never know what's going to show up. So we're going to kind of settle down and get ready for hopefully some action. I want to give it a shout out to my buddy Chris for the new hat, new blaze orange hat. Chris is actually a really good hunter. He actually kills bucks, and some nice ones. Anyway, he made me swear that I wouldn't tell his location, but anyway, I've seen a couple that he's killed. One just about a week or so ago, and it was a nice buck. So anyway, thanks, Chris. Anyway, a little promotion for Woodman Life, and but I love hats. Hats are my thing. Hats, shoes, coats. So they're my favorite. Anyway, so thanks, Chris, and we're going to get ready, and hopefully we're going to see something, and hopefully we're going to get a shot at something. Thanks for joining in, and we're going to get to hunting. Welcome back, everybody. It is Saturday, December the 7th, and we're back out here. I may have mentioned this earlier, but yesterday Tony and I hunted, and it was a bust. We didn't see anything. Definitely didn't see any bucks, didn't see any does, just a few squirrels. So today, after an eventful morning, I did kill a deer today, but sad to say it was with my mom's car. It did a little bit of damage to the car, but hopefully everything will be okay with that. Not the way I wanted to kill a deer. So we're back out here this Saturday, hoping that we can get a buck. Next weekend, we'll be out of town doing Christmas shopping and just enjoying some time together, my wife and I. So today is going to be the last day I get to hunt for at least a couple of weeks. And that may be good. It might give this place a chance to kind of cool off a little bit. And anyway, by then, hopefully we'll have some cooler temperatures, much cooler temperatures. So we're going to sit back, get ready, and hopefully something will come our way. So thanks for sticking with us. I know that it's a hunting video is not much unless you actually harvest a deer. But anyway, we hope to do that today. So thanks for sticking around to this part of the video, and hopefully we'll get that footage. So we're going to get to hunting. One other thing, today the Raiders will be playing, I think it's Graham, for the semifinal state game. A shout out to Cheryl Ellis for being able to do a Facebook Live on that game. I'll be checking my phone from time to time as I hunt to see how they're doing. So hopefully we'll have some good news to report on that. If they win today, they go to the state, and pretty exciting. They won 3 state champions within the last 5 years, so they're definitely on fire, thanks to the dedication of the players and the great coach, Doug Smith. So shout out to him as well. So hopefully we'll be able to report a win today too for the Raiders. So just wanted to throw that in. Well, another bust. I guess it just wasn't meant to be. I waited till just a little after, 5 or maybe 5 minutes after 5. And I guess I got a little impatient and decided I would just come on out of the blind. And wouldn't you know it, as soon as I got to the bottom steps, I looked back around the blind and outstepped a deer. But it was a doe, so nothing I could have done anyway. I guess maybe I'm kind of glad I'd already gotten under the blind, because I kind of snuck back through the woods and looked back down the road, and she was in the field where I was hunting. So had she gotten all the way in the field, it would have been, I guess I'd still be sitting there waiting to get out of the blind, or waiting for it to get pitch black. But anyway, we'll be back again. I want to finish my goal for this year, and that was to take a deer with a crossbow, to take one with the muzzle loader, and one with the rifle. So 2 down. I still have 1 to go. Hopefully we'll get it on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate it if you would subscribe. It helps the channel, and just is encouraging to do that, quite frankly, to see people subscribe. But we'll be back. We'll try to get it on camera and try to complete our goal for this season. And so I thank you for sticking around, even though we're not didn't have any kind of harvest on this video. But I appreciate it, and I just pray that you would have a blessed day. We'll see you later. See you on the next one.